Do you know why heart cancer is so rare? A new study published in the journal Science has an answer. The mechanical load from the constant beating of the heart aids in consistently suppressing the cancer cell's growth. Cellular pathways in heart tissues alter gene regulation in cancer cells to keep them proliferating. Researchers, including those from the ICGEB in Italy, said cancer rarely forms in or spreads to the heart. This suggests there is something in the cardiac microenvironment that inhibits cancer growth. The heart's constant high pressure workload may limit cell growth. These pressures might also suppress cancer cell proliferation, though the exact mechanisms are unclear. Here is what the study involved. The authors developed a transplantation model in which the heart's mechanical workload could be reduced. They grafted a donor heart into the neck of a compatible mouse to create a mechanically unloaded organ. It remained perfused with blood but did not bear a physiological strain. The team injected human cancer cells directly into the heart muscle. Then they compared tumor behavior in the unloaded transplanted heart with that in the animal's native, mechanically active heart. The researchers found that the mechanical load consistently suppressed the growth of varied cancer types, while unloading the heart promoted tumor cell proliferation within the cardiac tissue. A key potential explanation is mechanical load. The authors say mechanical forces in tissue reshape cancer cells' gene regulation, affecting their ability to grow. Central to this process is Nesperin-2, a protein transmitting mechanical signals from the cell surface to the nucleus. It senses the heart's mechanical environment and alters chromatin and histone methylation, resulting in reduced gene activity linked to tumor growth. Silencing Nesperin-2 restored cancer cells' ability to grow in the heart's active environment, leading to tumors. These findings show how mechanical forces could be important in protecting the heart from cancer. Thank you.